Hello, I'm Davide with Ekin-Su, and today I'm gonna be her makeup artist using some of the Boots product. So to start, we are gonna use the nude Huda Beauty from Boots.
First of all, you're going to start with my inner corners with some shimmer. So you know me, I always have inner corners shimmery.
Oh, you start with the eyes?
Yeah.
With my finger?
Yeah.
So we use color crepe. The full eyes.
Just in corners of my eyes.
In corner, yeah. Shh, don't laugh. You're gonna beg me to do it every night.
Get the eyeshadow palette.
Okay.
You colour my... Okay, so you want to do this part of my eye with a bit of darker, so you might want to use this colour.
Okay, we use kinky color.
Kinky, because you're very kinky, aren't you, normally?
Is it kinky?
Yeah. So blow, go... Again? Davide.
A little bit. I knew I had to be a makeup artist.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
So do you want to blend it in with this?
With play.
With play?
I know you love to play, but with this where?
In the middle. So here.
I feel like an artist.
Do you feel like you could do this to me every night?
You know, I feel like Picasso in this moment.
We need to do the eyeliner.
Eyeliner, this is my specialty. We are using tattoo liner, waterproof liquid eyeliner. And it's not super easy, but I think I'm doing a good job. Hey, you moved. I knew you moved. You didn't have to move, baby. Look at me.
So with the winged eyeliner, you need to be very slow. So you have to focus. You have to really go in here, go from thin to thicker, and then you want to flick the eye from the end, like a very pointy flick.
Yeah, I can see.
I feel like you're doing it right this time.
Yeah, I can see.
Hope everyone else watching this thinks the same, because I can't see. He's with somebody who takes very quick in the change rooms. I'm the quickest in there.
Yeah, I think this is true. She's quick.
Do you know why?
No. Well, because you know how to do.
No. Because?
You don't need a lot.
Thanks. Got there in the end.
I wanted to say, but it was too beautiful to say straight away. You don't need a lot of makeup.
Stop playing cool. I think he's definitely ruined this one, but it's normal. First try. I feel like he's done a really good one on the second eye. I generally felt like he was doing it how I would. Let's see in the end result. So I have faith and trust in Davide. So yeah, sleek makeup.
Sleek makeup. Cream contour kit. I'm gonna do some contour now with this cream contour kit from Boots. A bit more.
You like a bronze girl, don't you, Davide?
Yeah.
I like the flicks, the hand. Very, very sexy, Davide.
I use the darkest one, this one.
Well
so
done.
now we're gonna use the light one.
To conceal under eyes.
Yeah, to give more light, more, you know, to let them shine more.
So when I look into your eyes, my eyes are shining. I feel like I have trust in Davide. I think you do a great job.
Okay, I'm gonna start blending in now with this number 7 from Boots makeup blush. Yeah, also the eyes a bit, just in case we don't want too much makeup. So we are using Thick and Fast mascara from Boots.
Thick and fast. So, close. Davide, you're doing a really good job. I
Yeah.
think that's how I apply.
Number 17, full definition brown pencil.
Very therapeutic. Could I hire you to be my makeup artist, please?
I think with a bit of experience, 1 week of experience,
Yeah,
would be
I
a
believe
good.
you.
Look at you, beautiful.
So to finish off my amazing look, Davide is going to use red because it's spicy, hot, and Mediterranean, and I love reds.
The lipstick, we use number 17, Red Passion. We are using 17 Dewy Prep Setting Spray. to finish the look. So this is to set the makeup.
Yeah. So like if me and you had an argument
Yeah.
and like I was getting angry and sweaty, my makeup would still be on my face.
Nice. So keep it with you for the next argument.
Yeah.
Da-da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Actually.
It's not bad.
Oh my god. It's not that bad, you know. I look like a different person.
No, for me you look the same actually.
To be fair, you've done a really good job on my lips.
Yeah.
You've done a really good job with the contour. You've done a really good job on our eyebrows. Well, you definitely need practice on this, but it's your first time.
No, yeah, the first things I did, I think.
This could be a new fashion
No,
because it's his first attempt.
doesn't matter.
I mean, I can pull off anything, right?
Yeah.
And overall, 8 out of 10.
8 is good for the first time. To get the perfect look,
Then please shop at Boots.